No, it's nothing I go do. Even luckily I can't see the task force man wey write my name before they put me for motor wey carry me go prison. I hold the man say abeg, shebi na the day time wey they send me for prison. I come back side, they say motor don show. No be my motor, make una help me. They come dey ask how much I owe. Me wey just come outside for prison. I say no more, I no get money.
Nigerians help me.
Hello, my beautiful people. This video na wan watch so. This video e dey very touching. I beg, if I make you cry, I'm so sorry. Oh, this video, this our brother when he dey sick so. Wetin he no know anything, they see him mother dey cry. Wetin he no know anything about. Na our people, our uniform people when dey care of car, na dey hold am for. And the car no be him own, na own. If dey balance person when get am. And this our brother so he stay for prison for 3 years. Then inside that 3 years in prison, he lost a daughter. Then as he come out, like they say they want issue the car. Now he and the mother, I go leave una make una watch the video about una self. The story they touching. And this our brother so because his mama no fit train her for school, he bring her out so that may he serve person. They serve finish, they not etc.
My name is Nduko Sinachi. I'm from Imo State. I just come back from prison for 3 years. After they hold me for Korokwe, they do conductor. I don't do conductor when I be business where they do. Me and my mom they take the feed before person come carry able to give me for high purchase 1.8 million. I will agree for the photo. So after we don't make agreements for 1.8 million. So I come the use and they run from Ijebu to Sele Express. So we reach one morning like that. As I reach Sele, they say, say task force come Sele, they disturb people where the boys they fight them for Sele. I say, this one way they happen. Make I come up before you know it, see them. They come gather, block me front and back. Say what thing I do. Say make I come down for the motor. I no agree come down. Say what thing I do first. I never know what thing I do. Say make I come down for motor. Before you know it, they don't drag me. Before people gather, say waiting happen. Those boys come they disturb them, say waiting this boy do. They come they beat me up and down. Before I come, as they don't beat me well, I can't release the clip for them. They carry me. Tie my eye. They even use a cloth. Tie my eye. I don't even see road from Sele to Oshodi. They beat me before what they use. Them collect them. After everything, they say I call boys. Where they fight them. Say na make all boys where they fight them. Say because of that, say I go provide those. And I need your big banner. I don't stay for Oshodi prison for 3 days. Nobody, my mom no need say there and there I did. Till the next 4 days, now they carry me go Badagry prison.
He called me one day, say he's at Badagry. I say, your wife, we have been looking for you. Waiting up, he say prison Badagry. Who is to go for me? It's only God that will go for him. I don't know where to run to. That's how he stayed though.
A year later, tell me say my daughter don't dey sick. Say it's come make her dey sick. I don't wanna go bring her for me, make I find ways see her. Say no way, wait then go have come outside see my way.
3 years. Along the line, the baby died on the process. Now, my grandpikin, when he was at the prison, only me and the wife feeding na me get. Transport to Badagry na me get. You know, they easy for me. You know, they easy to be.
So after everything now, I can't come outside. They say this motor, they don't put them for auction. Say don't become a government property. Say it's no longer my motor again. I don't know what I go do. The man will stand for me as grantor. The oga will get the motor, don't threaten. So that man now don't run. And when him oga they disturb. He don't disturb me every blessed day. And this man they give me a while, like they threaten me. So I don't even run come up for the air. So this you can't reach this office and where my mom go the place that should decide Lausa side. Come see say they hear information, say that they auction motor. So make I call whether my own they follow for the one where they go auction. I don't even know saying don't buy tickets. So I come, as I go there, I go still buy another ticket. Reaching yesterday, now me and my mom see there, come tell me saying don't buy tickets. Why I go buy again? I said, okay, you never late, go return your own. Return my own, collect the money by 2,000 naira. So When time don't reach, they come bring my motor come outside, say they want auction. And the pepper of the motor them around, everything them around. I beg, make una leave this motor for me, I beg. Make una leave am, no be my own, na help purchase I did. I help purchase now I ride the motor, no be my motor. Even the owner say don't threaten me well, threaten me. So I don't even know what to do for this life again. I don't cry for them, make them leave me, make them release the motor.
I was thinking it's something that if we cry, it will come out a cry, we will solve it. That's how they started bidding 150, 100, me, only 1,005 in my pocket. I started crying. Nigerians help me. Nigerians help me. Nigerians help me. Because of rescue, I cried. Oh, they say, Madam, price. I say, oh, they don't start the 450 naira, 405,000. I say, stop.
I don't even know what I go do. Even luckily, I go see the task force man way write my name before they put me for motor wey carry me go prison. I hold the man, I beg. Shebi na the day time wey they send me for prison. I come back side, they say motor don show. No be my motor, make una help me. They come dey ask how much I hold. Me wey just come outside for prison. I tell no more, I no get money. They say I must price. Other people don dey price 400, 500. Before they come say I must price, I must put my before one of my uncle just come from nowhere say make I just talk 400 since they don't talk 450. I thought they no agree before they call leave am for 450,000. Say make I go pay 450,000. 50,000. Where I see the money, I don't see the money nowhere. So that yesterday, I don't know. I don't even later say I don't know wetin I dey do that yesterday. So later now they come they tell me say no they get if you pass Monday. Say the motor they go collect am back if you no pay the money, the 450,000. And nobody wey I know, I don't ask them. They say no money, no how country they be. So the one man come say since it don't be like this, see instead of us to lose everything, say make him settle them, give me 100,000. Since I no get money wey to buy the motor for their hand, I call Oga say nothing concern am for the motor. Say nothing concern am. Say wetin go happen be say make I carry the boat, make I just provide the motor for am. So if I no do that, say anything where anyhow wey I want am, say him go give me. He don't even call police for me sef. When he call police dey everything. Say okay when the time of auction reach, say make I buy the motor, carry I give am. And they even dey try make I find work wey I go dey do before I go raise money. Before you know it, the thing don dey urgent. I no even know what to do. So that man come, I come say okay since it don't be like that. After that day, now Monday morning, no more again. They will carry the motor back. I can say, okay, since it don't be like that, and I nowhere to get money. I don't get money. I don't know anybody to borrow. The man can't bring the money, settle those people, 450,000, give government that yesterday. So the men can't give me 100,000 naira. Say anyhow, make I use and find another motor where I go the ride high purchase. They settle a guy. The thing, I'm very confused. I don't know what to do. After I dey for prison, lost my daughter. I still come back, lose the motor. 1.8 million naira. Only 300,000 naira I don't give owner of the motor. 1.5 million still there like this. Now I don't even know. I don't even know where to start. I don't even know where to go. My mom there, even my mom said, I seen there like this now. She's not feeling fine. I don't even know my dad. Died the time where my mom said died the time where I did 3 years. I don't even know him.
Life have been carrying us. I cannot be able to train him in secondary school. So, in my street at Ajeguledia, I saw where the man post says boy wanted. I now approach him. He said I should come over with him. A small boy. That's how my son, we agree with him that he will serve him for 6 years.
So, after 6 years, you know, said to me. 7 years, you know, said to me. Reach 8 years. I don't call the man, say, everything they happen. That she been at 6 years we talk. He say, no, say, make I give him 6 months again.
I went and asked me, sir, I should give him time. And I calm my son down. Say, take time, we'll be obedient. You know, I have nobody. So, meanwhile, the father died when he was 3 years. So, no hope of marriage again.
I come days, 8 years and 6 months. He come carry me, come meet my mom. Say, make me and my mom stay. After 2 months, he go come say to me, give me money, I go to start business.
6 years turned to 7 years, 7 years turned to 8 years. As a young boy, he cannot bear it again. The man now returned him fully to me that he should stay with me with time, that I should give him time. Time reached today.
And so since that day, and so 8 years and 6 months, stay waste. You know, settle me. Nothing.
When he was driving the Korokwe, he used to support me in one way or the other. Now, house rent don't do. Loma due don't do. NEPA no do. It's not easy. It's not easy. I'm even planning to go back to my state, but it's not easy. It's not easy. I went there, the mommy that I will run to died few months ago. Who am I going to tell? My mommy that I will run to, she's the one that's supposed to help me. I don't know. I lost my mommy. I don't know. Husband do not there. He don't die. It's not easy for me, my brother. It's not easy. But God in heaven will send a helper that will help me and my pikin. In the mighty name of Jesus. He's the one that put his trust in the Lord. He will never leave him nor forsake him. I put all my trust in the Lord.